Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial well-being. It's about understanding money coming in, controlling the money going out, and planning for the future. For beginners, the process can seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, anyone can create a budget that works for them. Firstly, it's crucial to understand your income. This means not just your salary, but any additional funds that come your way regularly. Whether it's from a side gig, investments, or a recurring gift, knowing your total income sets the stage for effective budgeting. Next, track your expenses. This includes fixed costs like rent and utilities, and variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. For a month, record every purchase. This will reveal spending patterns and show where you might be able to cut back. Setting financial goals gives your budget purpose. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear objectives will help you stay focused and motivated as you manage your finances. Now, create your budget. Subtract your expenses from your income to see what's left. Allocate funds to your goals and necessities first. Then, distribute the remainder to other categories. Remember, a budget isn't set in stone. It's a guide to help you live within your means. Adjusting spending habits is often necessary. If dining out is draining your wallet, consider cooking at home more often. Small changes can have a big impact on your financial health and help you stick to your budget. Finally, review and adapt your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Regular check-ins will help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. With time, budgeting will become second nature, leading to a healthier financial future.